Hello viewers, how are you? Today I show you how to repair or how to replace ASUS Vivobook 15 Intel Core i3 8th Gen laptop LCD repair. Model is ASUS Vivobook S530FA. So let's start. First, open the all screw from the bottom case. Bottom case all screw are not same. So when I open the screw and each screw is separate by separate, I already do it. 6 screw already open done. Now number is 7. Total screw have 10 screw in this laptop bottom case. All screw are done. Now use the ejector or anti-cutter blade or plastic blade. I used anti-cutter blade, it's better for me. Just move it and press it. Do it carefully, and after when I press my both hand and eject it smoothly. Try to smoothly, not super hard, and already open it. HDD have a rubber, so always it's missing. First open and or remove the power cable from HDD. Now remove the all screw from hinge. Both side have hinge. Single side is open. Now opened another side hinge screw. Total have 6 screw, 3 screw and 3 screw, total 6 screw. Small size and fat size screw. 6 screw are same size, not another. Now open the hinge and remove the LCD. Now open the pawns. Have two side pawns in display. One are open it and two are open it. Pawns. Do not mistake your pawns, because if mistake it, then you not found another one. Two side have two pawns and two side have two screw. Open the pawns and open the two screw. I already done it. After done, use plastic blade. Definitely plastic blade or ejector, and move it LCD downside and open the plastic. Open the plastic smoothly. It's already done. After done, now hinge. If you are try in this system, now you remove the how did you do it? I will try more time, because it's not so easy, it's super hard. Use plastic blade or use ejector. Again I say use plastic blade or use ejector or use anti-cutter and remove the LCD bezel. LCD bezel is so hard, open are so hard, because it's very easy, it's very small, or it's abnormal, total abnormal quality hinge. It's I already do it, and open the hinge on your both hand carefully. It's already open it. Now remove the hinge from LCD side. Two side have same screw and two side have two hinge. If you not remove the hinge, you do not open LCD panel. It's 4 screw have, single side 4 screw and another side 4 screw, total 8 screw. One side screw is open, done. Now I open another side. One screw are open, 2, 3, and last one 4, done. And remove the hinge. Remove the plastic hinge. And now try to remove LCD. This LCD panel have no screw in any corner. This LCD panel have included with a glue tape or adhesive tape. I open it and already doing it. Trying to open the glue tape or adhesive tape in my both hand, front side to back side, open it. Do not mistake your hand. If mistake it, then again need to open. And do not force it very hardly. If mistakenly remove it, or it mistakenly separated it, then you not able to open LCD panel anyhow. Do it very slowly and slowly. Need more time for this open for it. You already check. I will try it very slowly and long timely. Two side have tape. I already opened single side, that means right side. After right side done, I open left side. Almost done. Done and done. Have little bit. almost done. Yes, this one is done. Right side LCD is opened. Use plastic ejector and remove the LCD panel from one side. Please do not try after one side remove goulet tape or add chip tape. If you are trying to remove it, your LCD is 100% broken, because this LCD fan is not super hard. It's FHD or AMOLED display, so it's very difficult to remove it. Now I opened left side at chip tape. Same system or same type. If you are new, you try it or you do it very carefully. Do not do it very hardly, then you are mistakenly fail it. Almost 25% is done. Not this model is a system Asus Maximum laptop series. Now our LCD remove or LCD replace, same system. Maximum laptop has add chip tape or goulet tape. Series mean laptop series have same system. Asus S530FA FN UN S530FA S530 FN S530 UN and S531FA S531 FN S531 UN. The top series have ROG series have, Zenboook series have, same system LCD type, same system. Remove it. If you have another model laptop, you can try it. Now Maximum series laptop LCD panel remove is same system. My add chip tape already removed, ending position 95% is done. Yes, now are done. Both side tape are open, done. Now I'm use ejector and remove two LCD panel from LCD cover so easily right now. After done, now I'll open it, use ejector Now remove to a EDV cable from LCD panel. Now remove it. It's so hard because it's our first time, but you can do it very easily yourself. Already I do it. Just open, remove it. Now, how I added a new LCD panel without gullet? It's not possible. I am editing a new gullet or new adhesive tape before editing LCD panel. When you edit gullet or LCD tape in LCD cover, must be careful. Have a box in LCD cover. If you are mistakenly added without box position, if you are fail, because LCD adhesive tape or gullet tape so hard, after added you cannot anyhow remove it. I do it very carefully, so must need your attention when you added gullet tape. If you are, again I say, if you are mistake in right position, you cannot open gullet tape anyhow. Your gullet tape or adhesive tape totally broken. Yes, I am success. First step. Now I am again added another side. Do not open full adhesive tape at a time. Smoothly. Try to very smoothly. Fit the position and carefully close it. Yes, now I am done, and to side. Now I am editing a new LCD panel. I am opening the box and eject the new LCD panel and add it. Again fit it EDV cable in my LCD panel. After done, you check it 2 or 3 times, because if anyhow mistake it, again to open gullet tape and again to remove LCD panel. So first time you check 2 or 3 times. I already do it. Open the gullet tape another side paper. It's now done. Now I am fitting the LCD panel in right position. Do it very carefully. In a single time you need to fit right position. After you mistake, you do not open the LCD panel. If you are new, must to check in a single time you fit the LCD panel in LCD cover, in laptop LCD cover. Do not mistake it. If you mistake it, then you are fail. You do not open next time. If you are open, again to remove goulet tape. It's so hard work. So single time or first time need to overshear. এবং I already done it. Now our LCD replace is done. Close the small plastic hinge and now added the hinge and close the all screw. Have 4 screw. One are done. Two are done. Number 3 are done. Number 4 is done. Same system. Added the hinge. Add the plastic hinge. It's so small, then I mistake it. Close the hinge and editing the screw. Number 4 is square done. It's done. Now I added the LCD bezel. Fit the right position and press the hinge cap on your both hand. Yes, it's done. Now look like a original LCD panel, and added the plastic and press your both hand. Yes, done. Now I fit the 2 screw. And added the plastic. Yes, now are totally done, and I need to fit in keyboard module. Just fit it and close the hinge in keyboard side, and editing the 3 screw. Previously I already say in 3 screw at same size, a small size fat screw, single side done, another one is 1 screw done, 2 screw done, and number 3 screw are done. Now I am added EDP cable in laptop main board, done, and added the battery power in main board. Hard disks are fitting to right position because there is plastic body, and fit the battery in motherboard and open the LCD cover and press power button and checking to power display have or not, mean laptop open or not open, display coming or not coming. Yes, it's working, power is working, and just wait a little bit. Yes, displays come, that means my replace is successful. Close the hinge or shut down the laptop, pressing the power button and shut down the laptop, and close the hinge. Now close the bottom case in right position and pressing my both hands and close it. After done, here is 10 screw, I close it. 1 are done, 2 screw are done, number 3 screw are done, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and work is end. Now open the laptop, press the power button and press the F2 going to BIOS. Yes, I am successful. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Please share my video and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.